Dear friends, in class 11, we are studying third chapter trigonometric functions, and the topic that we are studying is trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Next angle is sine of 3x, that is 3 times a certain angle. Now we have the identity for, we are going to use the same method for this also. So we have the identity sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. Now instead of y, x and y, we are going to consider this as sine of 2x plus x. Please note these angles are not same. This angle is 2 times the angle which is at the right hand side. So here x and 2x are half of each other or 2 times of one another. So this becomes sine of 3x is equal to sine of 2x plus x. This is equal to sine of first angle, that is sine of 2x into cos of x plus cos of 2x into sine of x. Now we have the identity for sine 2x. Sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x, and cos of 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Please try to understand. We are trying to convert all the terms in sine x form. So sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x, and cos 2x, first we are converting 2 times angle in the single time angle, and then we are going to convert this cos x. So let us see what we get. Sine 3x is equal to cos 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x into cos x as it is, plus cos of 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. Now if you do the multiplication, you will get 2 sin x into cos square x. 2 sin x, cos x into cos x is cos square x, plus sin x into 1 is sin x, and sin x into sin square x is 2 sin cube x. Now cos square x, for cos square x, see we have got all the terms in terms of sin x, only this is cos square x. So we need to remove this angle cos square x. We have one identity, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. It means cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So if you remember this, we are going to use cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x in this, so that all the terms will be in sin x. Hence sin 3x is equal to 2 sin x multiplied by cos x is 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Here if you multiply this inside, you will get 2 sin x into 1 is 2 sin x, and 2 sin x into sin square x, this is multiplication, so power will increase by 1, you will get 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So this becomes 2 sin x plus 1 sin x, that is equal to 3 sin x, and 2 sin cube x, 2 sin cube x. Please note both are having negative signs, so they will get added. You will get minus 4, minus 2 becomes minus 4 sin cube x. So thus we have reached a very important formula. Sine of 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This can also be remembered as sine of 3 times an angle is equal to 3 into sine of an angle, sine of a single time angle, minus 4 into sine cube of the angle. Dear friends, next derivation is for cos of 3x. We are going to use the same method. We have cos 3x is equal to cos of 2x plus x. So 2x plus x is equal to 3x. Now please note, one of the angle is 2 times the other angle. It means it is not same. If one is 45, other is 90. If one is 30, this is 60. And it doesn't make exactly double of the cos value. So let us use the identity for this. We have the identity cos of x plus y. Cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Please note, whenever there is plus, it is negative here, and for cos we have both cos, product of the cos terms and product of the sin terms. So here cos of 3x is equal to cos of 3x is equal to cos of 2x plus x. So this becomes cos 2x cos x minus sin 2x sin x. Now we have the identity for cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x plus 1. For cos 2x we have 2 cos square x minus 1, and for sin 2x we have 2 sin x cos x. So use these identities in this. You will get cos 3x is equal to cos of 3x is equal to cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x, and this becomes minus sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x into sin x. So this becomes cos x into 2 will be 2 cos cube x, and cos x into 1 will be cos x. This sin x into sin x will be minus 2 sin square x into cos x. Now please note, all the terms are in cos x, only one term is in sin x, sin square x. So this can be converted into cos x. We have the identity for this. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So by using this identity, we will convert all the terms in cos x. So we have this is equal to 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 into 1 minus cos square x into cos x. So if you solve this bracket, you will get 2 cos cube x, this is as it is, minus cos x, minus 2 into 1 is 2. This will be cos square x minus 2 cos square x into cos x. So I have multiplied by 2 inside the bracket. Now let us multiply by cos x inside the bracket. So this becomes 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x. Now I am opening the bracket, so I have to multiply by minus sign also. So this becomes minus into minus plus and cos 2 cos cube x. Please try to understand. We have multiplied by minus sign, so this becomes minus and this becomes plus. We have multiplied by cos x, so this becomes 2 cos x and this becomes plus 2 cos cube x. Now look at the similar terms. So this is 2 cos cube x and 2 cos cube x. It is 2 plus 2 will get 4 cos cube x. And 1 cos x negative, both are having negative sign, so coefficients will get added. You will have cos x plus minus 2 cos x. So this will be minus 3 cos x. So we have got the identity, very important identity. Cos of 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So identity for cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Dear friends, next is tan of 3x. So tan 3x can be written as tan of 2x plus x. This is equal to tan of 3x. Please note one of the angle is 2 times the other angle. Now we have the identity for this. This is tan 3x is equal to tan of 2x plus 3x. We are going to split it into 2x plus 3x and we have the identity for tan of x plus y. That is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. I have already told you how to remember this. If it is plus, plus here, it becomes minus, opposite sign at the denominator. So for tan 2x plus x we have tan 2x plus x. Please note here first angle is 2x, second angle is x. So replace x by 2x and y by x. You will get this is equal to tan of 2x plus tan of x upon 1 minus tan of 2x into tan of x. Now for tan 2 theta. Reference for tan of 2 theta we have the identity. Tan of 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. We have just derived it. Now this also can be derived from putting x is equal to y is equal to x. You will get tan x plus tan x, that is 2 tan x, and 1 minus tan x into tan x is tan square x. So you can get the identity from the same identity. So we have the identity for tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this becomes tan of 2x plus x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x plus tan x upon, please note, I have replaced only tan of 2x. So this becomes 1 minus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x into tan x. So let us, you can observe there are 2 terms at the numerator and 2 terms at the denominator and no common denominator exists. So first let us make the common denominator for the numerator and common denominator for the denominator. So this becomes, if you cross multiply we will get the common denominator. So for the numerator we have 2 tan x plus 1 minus tan square x into tan x. So tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x. So I have just made a common denominator to the numerator. Now I am making common denominator to the denominator as well. So this is equal to 1 into 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan x into tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. See, I have made 1 minus tan square x multiplied by 1. I will get the same 1 minus tan square x. This is as it is, minus 2 tan x into tan x upon common denominator 1 minus tan square x. Now this is a upon b upon c upon d type of fraction. That is, if the fraction is at the numerator also and at the denominator also, then we know this fraction is dividing the first fraction. So this is equal to a upon b multiplied by d upon c. So please note, denominator goes to the numerator and numerator of the denominator goes to the denominator. So this becomes, you will see that 1 minus tan square x b and d are same. So they will eliminate each other. This and this is same. So b will eliminate with d. You will have only this, that is equal to 2 tan x. Tan x into 1x is, tan x into 1 is tan x minus tan x into tan square x is tan cube x upon 1 minus tan square x. This is 2 tan x into tan x is minus 2 tan square x. Now see, this becomes 2 tan x plus 1 tan x, that is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. So this becomes minus 3 tan square x. So 1 minus 3 tan square x. So very important result we have reached. Tan of 3x is equal to, this is tan of 3x. So tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So don't get confused with all these three identities. So we have studied in this video sine of 3 times, cos of 3 times and tan of 3 times a certain angle.